Hey, it's Aran here. I'm doing a tutorial on how to create secure passwords for your websites or whatever accounts that you're creating. So this is an important way to protect yourself online, and I wanted to record a video on how I do it. Now, I use a software called LastPass. LastPass is a great software that I use to help generate secure passwords. So you can see here, I can click on generate secure password, and I can actually choose that if I want the password to be super lengthy, if I want it to be easy to say or hard to say, if or easy to read or not, whatever. And I can do it so it includes numbers and symbols, but doesn't include lowercase and uppercase, or I can do uppercase but no numbers, and if I want lowercase and no symbols, and any of these variations. And I can also click here, and this will generate as many passwords as I want until I find something that I want. Now, in some cases, I may want to have a shorter password because depending on what account you're creating, they might not even let you to actually create an account and create such a long password. And some just don't allow you to do a very short password, so it really depends. You can also see as you move it, you can see it gives you kind of the rating. So you want to have it at the greens usually. And obviously when you have a big password like this, it's going to be much more difficult to guess. Now here's the beauty is that you don't actually have to remember this password. This gets automatically saved and so on. So now what I'm going to do this is a Chrome extension. Now I'm going to sign up to show you how this works. I'm going to just enter my email. Now then you'll see this symbol right here. So if I am logged in on LastPass, this will appear. If I'm not logged in, I may not see it, so you need to make sure you are logged in. Now I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click here on show options, and then you'll see I can customize how long I want my password to be. I can switch it around and so on. Now I'm going to copy it. I'm going to fill the password, and here it is. Now this will come up right here on the top right, and I can save it to a specific folder if I want to, or I could just add it, right? So in this case, I'm just going to add it for the sake of demonstration. Now I'm going to click on agree, click on sign up. Verification email has been sent. Now that I am in the website again, I'm going to click on sign in, and you will see this symbol. This is the LastPass symbol, and you'll see number 1. It means that there is one saved password on the account. So I click on it, wait for a moment, and then you'll see this right here. I can click here and copy the username, copy the URL, copy the password if I so choose. In this case, I'm simply going to click on it, and then all the details will automatically populate. I'm going to click on login, and now it's literally all saved. So I don't have to remember my passwords, and the passwords are impossible to guess. It's not my mom's name, my father's name, it's not my dog's name, or none of that stuff. So this is a great way to really make sure that your passwords are secure.